Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Not Rotating. First, let's cover some quick and easy troubleshooting steps. A simple restart of the Roblox application can often clear up temporary issues, so try closing and reopening it. Also, make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can cause unexpected problems. Finally, confirm you have a stable internet connection, as network instability can sometimes affect game performance and controls. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings, which are crucial for proper camera control. You can access these by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. Navigate to the Settings menu and check your camera mode. Ensure it is set to either Classic or Follow for standard rotation. If you've customized your controls, try resetting them to their default configuration, as custom settings might sometimes interfere with normal camera movement. Now, let's consider your device and other software. First, inspect your keyboard and mouse for any physical issues or loose connections. Sometimes the simplest hardware problem is the culprit. It's also vital to ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date, as outdated drivers can cause display and control glitches. Lastly, temporarily disable any third-party applications or overlays that might be running in the background, as they can sometimes conflict with Roblox's functionality. For more persistent rotation issues, we'll move to advanced troubleshooting. Start by clearing your Roblox cache files, which can often resolve corrupted data problems. You can usually find these in your device's application data folder. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player is recommended to ensure you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation. If all else fails, do not hesitate to reach out to Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.